Please subscribe to my channel. Kids play all day.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to have our 7-year-old attempt a Rubik's Cube. But before he gets started, let's give it a mix.
Nice and nice. Keep going. Let's make it really hard this time. Oh, two of the greens together, two of the yellows together. Let's not make it too easy for him. Okay. Oh, two of the yellows again. They all coming together again. Okay.
We're going to get you timed. Let's go. Ooh. See a lot of the orange there. Oh, green's almost done. Blue's almost done. We are getting close. Oh, that whole yellow's there. Wow. Well done. Thanks for joining, guys. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.